Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Clear search history button of Safari browser has been grayed out. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select Safari. Go down. Here we can see clear history and website data, but this option has been disabled. I will show you how to enable it. Go back to settings. Under settings, select screen time, select content and privacy restrictions, tap on content restrictions, tap on web content. Here we have to select unrestricted. Select this first option, then go back to settings. Under settings, select Safari. Go down. So here you can see this option has been enabled. So this way we can fix this issue. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.